Girls, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about some information about WeTransfer.com. So first of all, what is WeTransfer? WeTransfer is a website that allows you to send large files. And if you go to the site WeTransfer.com, it will tell you there's no storage and you can send up to 2 gigabytes, resend, and delete transfers for free. So if you have some big files that you would like to send for anything, for business, for your job, for YouTube, it is a great way to be able to send large files to others without trying to figure out how you're going to send these files. And on my next video, I will be showing you how to create a WeTransfer account and what it is used for, okay? So stay tuned for that. So subscribe if you have not already. I am Marlene, one of the Information Girls, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. Make it a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.